Nisuweng pa sa Kantiko Don Bosco Media Network ko nam chaksua, anga Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na Salantini Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chungrang, Skutong Minister Shillong blok ko sumyot na nga, mukro song ni biding o Meghalaya aro Assam ni CM rang, Goldpua. Chigumuk pa Koborrang, Mugaba Salo West Castles ajani nung ogatal Shillong CNRD blok ko joltang ni MLA Gigur, murtong ni dongpa anyo Meghalaya ni Skutong Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, sungyo nangaha, bloko sungyo nangani sumayo, dengtang wiatan ni rangko, siyo na ni rangko ba Skutong Minister, ketal video ni jako nang jolaha, ketal Shillong bloko sungyo nani sumayo Skutong Minister adok ni mandirang ni, jangi tangan niyo, baka namgani rangko rabana geta MDA Sorkari dengtang, takepa program rangko, aba cingatiyo naha aro mandirang na Sorkari ni plakam rangko sokat naman na geta, nang niki ya Sorkari kamko kaingan ni Skutong Minister akan prakataha. Joltang ni MLA Gigur murtong Shillong o getal CNRD bloko songye na ketagisu ko nangani na adok ni Skutong Minister ko dengtang mancha matelang aha. Yo programo Skutong Minister Focus Plus ni card rangko ajani nung o donggaba plagame ge chagaparang ni jako pakwate o naha ar progress scheme ni nung o wak pisa ar krule do rangko ba mandirang na swale nang jolaha.
Baita ba bansi bisong government rangko ba chalaya hatsam ande ba was sumayo bisong public na mamang namgani ko na matja. Public na bisong daksakani ko na matja. Ande ba da alo MPP-led MDA government di kamra ko nake. Yan ang big pa progress program. Yan ang big pa Yes Meghalaya program. Yan ang big pa focus or focus plus program ko nakemang. Election na mangmang misok na. Da alo public na ba. Dentang program na ko utsaking. Ang nitsatsarata, Meghalaya ni public, nakpadol lang ni, managpapati lang ni, le akan ako, bibira jawa. Di ba daalo NPP government, ku suksisa no ja, lekhaw sa no ja, ang di ba kam siba, singa na simang na, yan ang kutakit, singa ni sokinga. Dalo account rango, na simang ni personal account o, na simang ni producer group ni account o, hangka pesa lang, na pinga. Yasa sol kam.
Ya blok ko kulina manara maikuk chunga mangen nasong antang uya. Skango maiba rengdimoni kalluoni bokjungoni badi kita jaci banana rengduo na depet chunga inananga daude chunga chalango donga belongyen Tinga sepanga wani guman ya kori tinga namme jakana nangen aro tinga ya staff rangko mai dakke tinga dakchagen orang ko tinga apsan kam khagrip nanangen
Mukro songong ang gapo busarani biding wa Assam aro Meghalaya adok ni Chief Minister rang agan group junginga ane monggoba Salo Meghalaya adok ni Skutong Minister Conrad K. Sangma cabinet meeting machutani jaman parakataha. Skutong Minister ni parakatani geta de patanggaman salgani ni gisepo wabadi tachang Assam ni Skutong Minister baksa agan gakaha aro ibaing pa sarango ba wamang gisepo agan grekang kuna singa. Riang pa November Janu kulgni tariko mukro songong ang pa silni jaman Meghalaya adok ngo gagpa Assam ni Forest Beat House ko Jolo songdongeng pa mandirang so wahachim anibaya Forest Beat House ko Assam chipak ni rekpal thayahan ni gemen mukro songwa adita susu jengjeng ongna aba chingthai pling hachim andakyong ingon ya obusta wa nipal thayin ba nangani krija kurang ko di anggen ni Meghalaya adok ni Skutong Minister Conrad K. Sangma parakataha Meghalaya adok nung ogapan sorkari ba jedol ba ongchina niyamgri dakna manjawa ni Chief Minister parakataha Karbyang Autonomous District Council KAADC ni bidingo Mamang koba agan na gata jechak ingon dolsa dolgapan gisepo nami agan gerkanirang aroma sichakanirang tunggen chimode yan dakapa obosarang ko namat na bakumiat naman genchi ministang ma parakataha border outpost ko barato o songjawaha ndi ba mukro sa songge ni ba Chief Minister Thalatani ko nangaha mukro na border outpost ko sorkari on manaha ane janapatingon ya outpost una sa kulachimang ni gata sipairang ko watat matnaha aruyan permanent post ungaha ane Skutong Minister parakataha
I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also, in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level.
So what about coming to this, just to add up to my friend, most of this incident in the border area, either Block 1 or Block 2 or like Mukro, is mostly local politics played by this communist culture. Mainly the government of Assam does not know whether this message will pass it to the Chief Minister of Assam so that this can be avoided in future also.
See, I don't want to comment whether it's local politics or whether it's the Karbala District Council, but whatever factors and situations that lead to this, if proper communication and coordination is done with all the agencies, I'm sure that we'll be able to completely eliminate, or at least we'll be able to minimize these kind of incidents that do take place. And yes, we will ensure that all kind of communications that needs to be done to any of the agencies or organizations that are there, we will ensure that from the highest level it is done from both sides.
So I just have one last question. The groups yesterday, they were demanding was that like the Assam government has started reconstruction of the Assam forest beat in Mukro, that which is within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya itself only. What do you have to say on this? Are you going to take
anything
up this?
within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, if it's been done by anybody, any other government or any other autonomous body, that will not be allowed. If it is done within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya.
That's very much within the jurisdiction.
Yeah, so they definitely will take up the matter.
So
this will not be allowed.
So what is the status of border outposts?
The border has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mokro already the 20 people who were 30 people were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukro are now regularized in Mukro.
One last question, sir. So there is a confusion whether the border outpost will be in Barato or in Mukro. So can you please clarify on that?
So the outpost is in Boroto. The border outpost is in Mukro.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yan dalna Koborrang nga niswing pasakanti kon metela.